Hello viewers, today is yet another day. We are going to continue with our day-to-day activities, and here there is a question, and we are told in this question we are supposed to integrate the function below. So integration is a concept in Form 4, and we also call it calculus 2 or integral calculus, and this is how we go about integrating. So having such kind of an equation here, so for us to integrate this question, or for us to integrate this question, we are going to integrate every element of this polynomial with respect to x. And how do we integrate? Suppose we have our gradient function as ax to power n. When we integrate this gradient function, we get our equation in form of y, which is equivalent to, so when we are integrating, we take the constant a, then it is over the power to the denominator, we add by 1, then x variable is retained, then the power is added with a 1 plus a constant. So that is how we integrate. Y is equal to a over n plus 1, variable x is retained, but the power increases by 1, then we add a constant. Why are we adding a constant? Is because when we were differentiating, the constant disappeared. So when we are integrating, integration can also be called reverse differentiation. So when we are integrating, we must introduce back our constant. So having this question here, integral of x squared plus 2x minus 1 with respect to dx, we are going to integrate every aspect or every element of this polynomial. And the first one is going to be the coefficient of x is 1. So it will be 1 over, this one will be 2 plus 1, the power, remember it's n plus 1, then x, then our power will be increased with 1, so our power will be 2 plus 1 is a 3, plus this is the same as 2 power 1, so it will be 2 over 1 plus 1, then x to power 1 plus 1 is 2, then minus, when we integrate this one, it is going to be minus 1 over x here is to power 0, so it will be 0 plus 1, then x to power 1, then plus c, plus the constant of proportionality, no, the constant. So we are going to have y is equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 is the same as 1 over 3 x cubed plus 2 over 2 is the same as 2 divided by 2, that is 1, plus x squared. Then 1 over 1 is equal to 1, so it will be minus x, because x to power 1 is equal to x, then plus c. So that is our function after integrating our polynomial here. So generally that is how we go about finding the integral, and by doing that you're already done differentiating a polynomial. Remember, I always upload such kind of videos each and every day. If it is your first time to view my content, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asaf Karaoke Online Maths. Then ensure you click on the like button, turn on the notification bell so that each and every day I upload a new video, you always be updated. As I promised, I'll be covering a wide range of units, a wide range of topics, so that we will keep on perfecting. So university and college students, keep on waiting, tune into my channel and be educated. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening. Thank you.